What's up guys, hope you all are having a great day, and today we're going to be talking about a social media app. And it's not any ordinary social media app, it's one that pays you. So you can obviously get paid on other social media apps like Instagram by selling shoutouts or buying and flipping pages, however you want to do that. But this app directly pays you through the app, and it's called Tsu or Tsu. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll put it on the screen right here, but it's TSU, and it's pretty cool because it basically monetizes your content. So you just post random pictures and videos of like you would on Instagram, and basically either shows ads or something. I don't know how it pays you, but we're going to be looking into that today. Theoretically pays you just by posting, and I'm going to be showing you guys today. I downloaded the app, made an account, and I posted a couple pictures on there so I could have a couple cents in the account at least, and then I could try to withdraw and see if it actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and start a screen recording on my phone, go into the app and show you guys how it works. So this is what it looks like when you're first getting into the app, and it's just a classic feed, and you just scroll down and it's just people posting pictures. I'll go ahead and like a couple, just like Instagram, and you can just put what's on your mind, post a quote, kind of like Twitter, or you can add a photo or video, which is just like Instagram. And this is my profile actually, at Ethan King. Go ahead and give me a follow if you're gonna go make an account on here. I have 534 followers. Why not follow me, right? So I posted a couple pictures, just like cars, views, funny drop shipping stuff, and they got a couple good likes on there. 12 likes, okay, 11 likes, 10 likes. So now the real question is, let's go into my bank and see how much I've gotten paid for what was that, like 100 likes? Okay, so I have 0.0075 cents. And let's just cut to the chase, right? And try to withdraw it, right? Redeem. How's it gonna do through PayPal? It's gonna do. Oh, it is gonna PayPal me. Okay, so this is confidential to make me put my password in, which I don't even think I know my PayPal password. Okay, so now I've just connected my PayPal to the app, and oh, so that's the catch. I almost thought this was gonna happen, but the minimum redeem amount is $15, and then if you're getting 10 likes per post, that's gonna be pretty hard to do because you're not really getting any things. But I guess you could still make money, and eventually if you keep posting, you could withdraw $15 just by posting on here. Not many people use it. Some things are good. I wonder if some people are making money. So some people are probably making money on this. I don't know how much they're making, but now we're going to go into the logistics of this and the facts and see how they're paying you, what you're getting paid for, and how they are making money, and if you should actually try this at home. Oh, and by the way, before we get into that, go ahead and look into the description right now. First link in the description is going to be my invite friend link, and if you go ahead and sign up to Tsu on your phone or your laptop with my link, then we're both going to earn 10% off each other. So we're not going to lose any money, but we're both going to make more money in the end because I'm a verified partner of Tsu, and you will make more money off me. So why not just sign up right now? So use my link in the description for 10% off what I make. So technically, off of the stuff that I've seen so far, Tsu is legit. You can actually get paid through it, but it's not legit enough. Like, they're not really going to pay you because you're basically getting paid through your engagement, and for the perf likes, they're showing ads on your post and on your profile, and 10% of the ad revenue goes to you, and the other 90% of the ad revenue goes to company itself, and they're going to end up making more money than you. But I guess something is better than nothing, right? If you're making 10 cents per post, that's better than making nothing per post on Instagram. Probably still sell shoutouts or something on here if you can get a pretty big profile. I haven't really done much. I just shouted this out on Instagram a couple times. I got 500 followers, and that's pretty good. I'll keep you guys updated, and if you guys want to see another video soon of how much I can make through all my invite links and people that clicked it on here on this video, then we'll go ahead and do that. But now let's go move on to how you can hack the system and make more money than usual off this app. So the way you can hack the system with the Tsu app is posting videos, kind of similar to Instagram. Videos do a lot better than just regular posts on Instagram, but videos get a lot more views, and Tsu pays you like twice as much per video views than just post likes. And so if you can post a video and it gets kind of viral, if you share it to everybody you know and it gets 1,000 views, you can make up to $5 off that single video, and then that's pretty good. That's a good way to make money. It's not really hacking the system, but the next trick I'm gonna tell you can actually make you quite a bit of money in the next couple days. So I might try this. I haven't had a lot of time lately because I've been planning a bunch of other videos, spending a lot of money and doing this stuff. But if you post a lot, like I'm talking like 30 or 40 times a day, like every 5 minutes you're free, just post a random picture on there, you'll get a lot of money, because Tsu is still posting ads on every single one of those posts, and if you constantly keep posting that stuff, then you're gonna make more money off of it. And so if you're making 10 cents per post, then if you post 40 times a day, that's already $4 a day if you're doing that. So just post a lot of times a day. I'm not saying post 40 times a day, but if you're just gonna post maybe 10 or 15 times a day, you can still make a lot more money than you would just by posting once a day or occasionally. And don't make this your main social media app. It's not that nice. It's okay, but you need to make sure you're definitely taking advantage of Instagram, because you can definitely make a lot more on Instagram if you have a bigger page and you sell shoutouts or sell products on there with drop shipping. But this app's pretty cool to try. I would say give it a shot because you're not losing anything on there. It's completely free. Everything on there is free and it looks legit. I haven't gotten scammed yet. So make sure you guys go look in the description, follow my Instagram, follow my Twitter, and first link in the description, apply to this app through my affiliate link. Make sure you say @EthanKing sent you, and I'll make sure to give you guys a shout out and follow you back. So it's been a pretty short video. I just wanted to explain that app to you guys a little bit. I hope you guys have a great day, and I have a banger video coming soon. Not many of my subscribers watched this long in the video. They usually click off after a few minutes, but if you're watching to the end of this video, I bought some elite trading cards for the next video. So that is going to be your hint for the next video coming out. And if you guys watch this long, comment pickles in the comments. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.